Alright, we're going to start this outfit by creating a skirt. To create a skirt for your character, select the character's body, go over to DivineCut and click on the skirt icon, click on new cloth. Now you can position the pelvis and the hip and set the pleat count. Anything between 16 or 14 to 30 is good. So this sets the geometry level of the skirt and how many pleats there are. I'm going to set this to about 20 and click on generate skirt rig. And now we can position the waist circle however high you want the skirt to be placed on the waist. You can scale it along the y-axis. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this is good. Then set how long you want the skirt to be. So this would be a long skirt, but for this outfit we want a kind of short skirt, and I think this is good. So if you want it pleated, enable the pleated checkbox and click on generated skirt or generate skirt. And this is the skirt. Now if you press play, the skirt will drop down like so, and the weight by default is quite low, so you can see how it drops. To increase the weight of the skirt, select the skirt and go over to cloth settings. Under physical properties, you can adjust the vertex mass to about 1 kg. When you press play, you'll see it drops a lot heavier, like so. If your character is animated, the skirt will not follow the character by default. You have to select the skirt and press bind to bind the skirt to your character's body. So if you click on the pinning section, you can see this waist area is pinned to the character, and that's where the body will carry the skirt from. Okay, so I'm going to let this play, and when it gets to the end, we can cache this bake. Alright, we're on frame 50 now. We can go to the design section and click on cache cloth, and that is done. So we have the bake of the skirt simulation. You can increase the subdivision count or subdivision level here if you want it to appear even tighter like this. That is the detail. So this is level 2 and this is level 3. I'll also set the render level to 3. So at this point we can add a belt to this model. You can pull over the asset browser here, and if you have the belt pack, which is over here, you can drag a belt onto the character and position it, scale it around the waist. This also doesn't have to be perfect, but once it's good enough, you can click on Divine Accessory and it will snap the belt to the skirt. You can then scale it and move it, and when you're satisfied, you can press bind, and that will bind the belt to the skirt. Ideally, you would want the material of the belt to match the skirt. So here we have a material called Divine Materials Skirt 001. So over here where we have the trousers, I'll change this to the skirt material, so it will match whatever the skirt is. So you can make the skirt color something different like this, and it's fine. So for this belt, I would actually like to rotate it a bit since it's not centralized. I'll just rotate it like this and then click on bind, and that's fine.